Well, when I go to the man, I say my hot girl and pum pum tight, say if the man figure them money and somebody want broke style pan you, and go and like say when they there with the man, you're pum pum, no go don't go for them alone, pum pum good. That's what I'm saying. He. So one girl sit down and wine pan your lap one time and I try to break off your cocky, and she had to come talk about my pum pum good, you know, yeah, pumpy. And I was like, what the fuck she talking about?
Tight like an alligator back.
I pussy tight like alligator back. Alligator back tight. I pay madness the attack. Me are the best woman you ever have. Since you left your little country, come here. Me the best woman you run into. Me not beat you, me not slave you. Me not bother you. Give me bad name if you want. Me always got bad name. Me always get the shitty end of the stick, so it don't make a difference to me. Me used to getting the shitty end of the stick. But my body not slavish pan yummy like when dog. Now a pole clot. At least. But some girl don't want to, but me hot. Me a hot girl, but as them broke them call man. And the man say, you have to suck my body, you know. If you not suck my body, me not get the money. I was like, you know what? Alright, come let me suck your body because they will want the money. They will want the money. What do you think? Some of them want to get paid the first of the month when people get the SSI checks. Man can't afford to buy sex from them, sometimes they trust the man them. Because they pussy not sell, so they trust it. Then trust it. What do you think they have a call and want pum pum tight now? I'm going to run over a big bag of pum pum tight now. What do you think they want to do? Eh? One woman can do with one man. And they with only one man and I run pum pum tight now, so. And that's a one man they keep growing bigger and bigger every day. Whatever, cause like me said yesterday, some people now no respect and manners. Big up on yourself. You know what I say? Back in Jamaica, I used to love party, you know. Yeah, man, I used to love party with the Spanish on my cousin car. When I was young in the country, I couldn't go party. I was not allowed to go party. And I have so much things going on in my life, but after me and my son and the Spanish town, my cousin carry me to some club. And we go see some go walk on the head and a dance and sitting in a Spanish town. Boy, that was some fun. That was really, really fun. May I tell you that? Yeah. But Spanish town, you have to have money to buy everything, just like New York. And nobody not give you nothing. We decided to get to work. Because my father used to send $100 come. $100 he used to send every month, he send $100. And €100 so you could buy so much. And then when we done buy flour, sugar, or anything, and rice, and we cook with my cousin them, it done before the time because with amongst my cousin them, amongst a couple of my cousin them, well, and my grand aunt. My grand aunt cook with she and my cousin, and then me had 4 cousins and me. We eat, we cook and we eat and so the money done. And me tell her, say, the one day I said to me, so we get to work here, man, because my son a baby still. So I go to the next cousin around the corner, we should have one little shop around there, and borrow $5 for an hour. And I said to her, so I got to town, go look to work, so I work in one newspaper. So I go on a town on the bus now and go up to the agency and pay the $5. When I done pay the $5, I realize to myself, say, I'm not going to have no money to carry me back home. But I go up at the agency to get the job anyway. When we go up, if we get the job, me dear, and tell the woman look on the article, woman turn and say to me, say, lady, you need $10 for register. Me say, lady, me don't have no money. But if you give me the job, ma'am, me sure enough come bring back your money. You hear me tell her? Me sure enough come back and bring your money. The woman said she couldn't help me. And trust me, turn out of the agency balling because I don't know if you get back home. While me a balance now on the roadside, my baby, my son young, you know. I want milk, I left no feed because I don't have money to buy none. A Spanish town me there. Just me put on a piece of ball, me say, Mr. Crime, feel like me not got dead, me tell you, you know. And me I tell her, say, you know, at that time the man stop and take out $100 out of wallet. And say, we are pretty young girl, do like you as long as I cry. Come, get up and walk, man, he give me $100, so change the cross for the road. And bring back the $50. When me change and bring back the man $50 and give him, and the man give me the 50, the man say, you know what? I have change in my pocket, you know. But I want to know if it was a blasted thief. You know, so anyway, me tell him thanks and I walk off. Him ask me where I was going. I tell him I'm going back to the agency to pay the money. So I go back to the agency and pay the $10 and sit down and wait for the job. Next thing I know, I see the man come back at the agency, one pretty woman and 2 baby. It's a twin baby he have. And he said, come and work for me. So I said, hold on, so let me get my $10 work from the woman. And I said, leave the $10 and come, just let's go. And I left the $10 and go to the man and go start work. When we go up, the man have a big piece of land, you see. The man have some big house on the property when I rent out to people, how much cars and sitting. His wife have a beauty shop and they have them own house on the land too. And me I tell her, say they have one nice little house. And inside they have a spare room and we can spend the night and stay over. But I don't want to stay over. I tell them I work from 7 in the morning till 7 in the evening because we go home to my baby. And I start to work. I say, man, when the people don't open the fridge and say to me, say, looking at the fridge, you see food and they eat some food, relax yourself. And here's the baby. I say, me go in here and warm up a plate of food. They say, when I see the pot of rice and peas, when I see the stewed chicken, you know, and it's well cooked properly, you know, and I take out a big plate and shove it on the microwave and whatever way you want to call it. And I mean, if you know if you use it, when me touch it, but me go prep. It a beat me touch all kind of button before me can find it work. And when it start to work, quick time the food one misses. And me come out and cock up on the couch because I don't clean up, dust up and everything quick. And me start to swallow the food, you know what I say, man. Me tell you, so when I done, me take me a nice long glass of Kool-Aid from the fridge because they have a big bucket of Kool-Aid in there. Man, me drink and quench me thirst. So the people are most nice to me. And me take off from me gone home when them come. Every day me start to work. After about 2 months, the man appear me good, you know. Me gone to work, the man out tell me wife, you know. It's a holiday now, coming to Christmas Eve. And you know, my wife have silent, she not coming home. I want to spend some time in the bedroom. Mr. San, me go and spend time with you in your bedroom. He say, I'm going to pay you extra like it for a long time, you know. And that's why I give you the job. I want to come and spend some time with my man. I want to make love with you. I said, no, sir, me couldn't do that, sir. He said, woman, let me tell you something. If you don't spend the night at tonight and do me tell you, don't come back to work tomorrow. No make me catch up on Milan. Anyway, me left and gone home. To my peace and safety, here comes sudden destruction, man. When me gone back at work and get in the yard, man, come out and pick up some stone, because some places have gravel at the yard, gravel, where dirt and gravel it. And the man start to pitch a lot of them off of me, gravel and stone. The man, if you go tell my wife down the road, beauty shop, me find a Spanish stone and me shoot your ass. Come out and the man start to stone, me never get no pay. You want to see me I run to Ross, I run from the man and him stone. The man never pay me for that week. Spanish stone is not easy. Yes, man, all the market them me used to go. And me go man and sell me scoochie them me make with old cloth and buy elastic to make ear clip. I walk through market, scoochie girl, just to make $1 to survive in a Spanish town. I go come back on the Spanish town topic, trust me.